So this is a little introduction to our new Alaris pumps that are coming soon. Essentially they're very similar to the BD PK pumps, but they're orange, nice clue, and the guys have labelled them up here for theatres mils per hour only for us. So if you just, it was quite simple stuff, but I'll just recap it quickly for anyone who hasn't used them before. This part here is a specialised pressure disc for neonates, so we won't be using that in theatre. Turning on, if you need to, there's a little speaker on the back here. If you put your fingers on the speaker, it stops it beeping really loudly. So if you, as you're programming it, you put your fingers on the speaker. This is how it will set up from the last case as you turn it on, so just put clear setup, yes. And it'll ask you for your syringe, so normal stuff. Our syringe library has a few syringes in it again, so hopefully we should use 50s, 20s and 10s. So load it up there, and it should recognise it. If it doesn't, just remember to go through the cycle through the syringes, confirm, and it'll automatically give you mils per hour, so you can cycle the mils per hour. And if you press the question mark when you start up and go to infusion setup, it will give you just a few more options of mils an hour, and then dosing only. If you go down to that one and press OK, it will give you the option to mics per kilo per minute and milligrams per kilogram per hour. So if you have other drugs, such as if you want to use remifentanil on this, you could do mics per kilo per minute. Obviously you don't get a bolus at the start of the remi, and then milligrams per kilogram per hour. So you could put lignocaine on here and ask it to give you a dose, or phenytoin or something like that. But we'll go back and quit, and just back to mils an hour, and obviously cycling up. If I just set it to 1 mil per hour and press go as standard, the pressure's quite low, just the default pressure, so you may have to alter that in the menu. You can also do a volume to be infused, so you can then say I want 15 mils of a drug, you can dial it up, or 5 mils in this case, and just go OK. And then you can ask what at the end, once it's reached 5 mils, what do you want it to do, and just stop, and then that'll tell you how long it's going to last for. Other options is the bolus. It's slightly different to the PKs, unfortunately. There's the bolus button. It'll ask you if you want hands-free, which means you can just, or hands-on, so you press the button for hands-on and keep your finger on it, and hands-free will go yes. The only slight difference here is that there's no default 1 mil on these pumps. The PK pumps are a bit different, the blue pumps are a bit different. So just say we wanted 1 mil bolus of metaraminol, we'll just go up to 1 mil. You can change the rate if you wanted to, but 500 was their default, so I just thought I'd leave it at that. And we'll just press the bolus button, and that'll deliver a mil, hands-free, so you can do other things while it's delivering the 1 mil. So pretty easy stuff, really. That's our pump. I'm sure I've missed something, so do ask me if needed. Off button, power off as normal.